TJ Ortman here with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Here I just wanted to show you our new trade. It's a 2018 Monterey 278. It's a lightly owned, pre-owned boat. It does come with the tandem axle trailer. It's got the nice black exterior with the stainless steel windshield frames. Come on inside and let's take a look. As you first come up to the boat, you'll notice a nice big rear sump pad, nice for lounging out. You do have a backrest that does move back and forth. As you work your way to the starboard side of the boat, you do have a nice walk-through transom. Got a freshwater spray down. Then you have easy access to radio controls on the back of the boat as well. As you come into the boat, you have plenty of seating for getting out on the water. You do have a nice little wet bar here on the starboard side. As you come up, make your way up to the helm, you have a nice clean dash. This boat is powered by a Mercruiser 350 meg with Bravo 3. It does have trim tabs as well and keep the boat level. And come to the port side here in the passenger seat, you do have a movable backrest, flip a bolster. Then you can work your way up to the bow. You have a nice big seating area, easily fit 4 to 5 people up there. And you also have access up to your windlass anchoring system. Feel free, come on down to Rogers, take a look at the boat, or feel free to give us a call.